Hello guys, today I'm going to teach you that how to create YouTube channel and earning money by uploading videos to monetization. Go to Chrome, sign your Google account on the top right of any Gmail account. You have to sign in with the after signing in, wait for a couple minutes. Go to top right corner of the and click creator studio. Have to double click or else click. After that, go to channel, advanced, select country, which country you are in, and save settings. Then go to channel again. Your monetization has not been enabled. You must enable to get your you get to earn money by uploading videos. Monetization is nothing but earning money by viewing ads on your YouTube videos. Click enable. First, read agreement your partner start, then terms and conditions will come on the screen. Give all tick mark and then put accept. Then start sign up for AdSense. AdSense nothing but a Google AdSense. You have to give sign in for the AdSense means advertisement sense. Sign in. Then a URL of your created channel will come on the screen. Copy it, copy it. Yes, send me customize help if you want. Yes, select country, India, India. In please review. Have to give review terms and conditions. Yes, I have read the terms and condition. Create account. Yes, add easy. Get started. Payment address details. Then give address line. After all your information, click submit. Wait for a couple minutes. A text message. Get verification code. After would submit. Wait for a couple minutes. Then set monetization preference. Start. Yes, only or desktop only. Desktop ads, desktop only required. These are all for only desktops. These are all for all devices like phone, mobile tabs, etc. And skippable videos for all devices. Change save, and then you then see get reviewed after reaching 4,000 watch hours in the previous 12 months and 1,000 subscribers. Only you will get money until your videos have been watched by 4,000 and had to get 1,000 subscribers. Then go to video manager, add videos, or else use this symbol upload and import videos from Google Chrome. Select upload, then select open. Video is uploading. Okay, thank you for by watching this. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Then put publish.